So, good evening mga friends. This is our recipe for tonight. Preparing for this dish for our mga amo palalabs. So our recipe is inununang tilapia or a tilapia dish mixed with vinegar, soy sauce, with other ingredients. So these are the ingredients. No, this is a Filipino cuisine or a Visayan delicacy. So you can invent any ingredients you want to choose or you want to apply as long as it makes your inunonan tilapia so yummy. I have here, yeah, the garlic, then the onion, then I have this tomato. I will put also a few tomatoes. Then I have here the green onion or sibuyas dahon. So I have also put some laurel leaves to make a good aroma for the menu. Then I will also add this one, eggplant. So eggplant is when it is mixed with the inununan, the flavor or the taste will become yummy, no? What we are going to do first is to put these ingredients on the surface of the pan. Put the garlic, minimal only the ingredients of onion. This is very economical. Then let's put the eggplant over. So you rinse them so that the first when you mix all together the ingredients, this eggplant sure will soak the flavor of the recipe. Then this one you put the eggplant here, just level it on the uh, bottom part. Now let's add the tilapia here. This 1 kilo tilapia. Actually tilapia originates from Africa, from abundant in Nile River in Africa. Then it is introduced in the Philippines. Local farmers, fish farmers are adopting. That's why until now there are lots of tilapia in the Philippines. This was discovered during the 1950s. Next, put some vinegar around uh, 5 tablespoons estimated, depending on your preferred dosage of vinegar, yeah, to neutralize the fouling odor of the fish. Then let's add this soy sauce. There, soy sauce. Look at that. Somewhat look like humba already. Let's put laurel leaves to make fragrance with the inununan. Sorry, I'm just the one holding the phone. Let's add around 1/2 glass of water so that when it simmer, the flavor will penetrate to the meat of the fish. Then there, sprinkle small amount of salt since there is already soy sauce being added in the ingredients. Then let's put magic syrup. Magic syrup as seasoning, magic syrup, seasoning granules. Okay, this enhances the taste of this inununan. Inununan, this is a Visayan delicacy in the Philippines.